Let's see how to add a label to this can. First, let's place the cursor where we want, in front of it. Press Shift A, Image, Mesh Plane. I will add my label here. Let's go in edit mode, rotation RX90. Let's go in front view and let's scale it like that. In object mode, let's add a subdivision surface, F for simple, G for optimal display, and S enter some subdivisions like that. From this, let's add a bend modifier here, enter 360. That will give us this result. I want to merge the point at the bottom, so let's add a merge modifier like that. Okay. I can, for example, make it shade smooth. I can scale it a little bit, just like that. I could keep it like that, but let's add a shrink warp modifier to make it perfect. Press O to select the reference object, like that. And I will press D to choose the project, and with F I will choose above surface. So now what I can do is to add another subdivision surface. So let's go to the first one, press Shift and Space, like that, and let's move it before the shrink warp modifier, like that. As you can see, here it's before. And now we have something perfect. I want to use the same material, so let's go back and select the metal brush, make it for this new object here. Let's add the image, okay. Let's go to the shader editor and let's remove this from the mapping. I want to rotate the brush part, so let's enter 1 for X and 200 for Y. And now, as you can see, I have something perfect. Okay? Why not add a camera? So let's add a camera. On my camera, as you can see, I can select some presets. So let's use 1K, 1 key. Now on my camera, so let's make it, let's see, like that. Okay. I can go on cycle to make a render, just to show you. Let's select the camera. I will select my camera with my object list, like that. And let's activate the depth of field. I can pick where I want to have my depth of field, and after that I can enter the value for the depth of field. Okay, and as you can see, that works pretty nicely. You can also, if you want, activate the autofocus. So like that, if you zoom on some point, you will have the focus on this point, and that will work. You can also, if you want, activate some compositing, for example, a lens distortion. Let's add a glare, and boom, that works. Easy peasy.